Today we're going to make salmon, pesto and bacon bites. These are so simple and I'm sure if you add them to your finger food or tapas menu, there won't be any left over. Hi, I'm Taryn. Welcome. I'm going to show you one of my favourite finger foods today. Little grilled salmon, pesto and bacon bites. These are surprisingly easy to make and they're always a hit. Well, they're not going to make themselves, so let's get started. We only need 3 ingredients: our salmon fillet, some pesto and streaky bacon. And I've got a lemon and parsley for garnishing, but this is entirely optional. First we'll prepare the salmon fillet. Mine still has the skin attached, so I'm going to cut it off by cutting in here at the tail end and sliding my knife all the way down. I'm using a filleting knife. It has a flexible blade so it can bend easily. This helps us to get in between the flesh and the skin. You could use a chef's knife if you don't have a filleting knife. Just make sure it's nice and sharp. Now I'll cut this into bite-sized portions. I only have a small fillet today, so for me to keep the pieces a similar size, I'll cut it into 3 strips, and then the 2 smaller strips into 2 portions, and the larger strip into 3 portions. The size of your salmon fillet will determine how many portions you can get out of it. Next we'll add a blob of pesto onto each piece. I'm using a basil pesto, but any flavour is delicious, and even better if it's homemade. Spread it over so that it covers the top of the salmon portion. And we're ready to wrap these in bacon. I'm just going to cut my streaky bacon a little thinner. Make sure the bacon is long enough to get all the way around the portion of salmon and overlap a little. Gently wrap the bacon around, sticking down the little overlap if you can. I'm going to pan fry these in a little splash of oil. You can grill, barbecue, bake or pan fry these little bites. If my oven was on, I'd just pop them in there for about 10 minutes. When pan frying, you'll get a darker colouring on the bacon than if you cook them in the oven. Look at these gorgeous little bites. To finish them off, I'll stick a little cocktail pick into each one. Today I'm plating these on a small white plate, so the beautiful pink coloured salmon stands out. I'm keeping the loop on the cocktail sticks all pointing the same way, and the bacon is also going in the same direction on each piece to keep it uniform. I'll also add a small lemon twist and parsley to garnish. If you'd like to see how to do this lemon twist in more detail, I'll link to another video in the description on citrus fruits. Wow, don't these look like an amazing addition to a finger food or tapas style menu? The pink salmon with the green pesto served on a white plate gives a beautiful colour contrast. And the little cocktail picks make these salmon bites not only easy to pick up and enjoy, but also add a bit of height to the overall plate. Let me know in the comments if you're going to give these a go. I'm sure they'll go down a treat. That's all I've got for you today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe for some more great videos on food presentation, tips and ideas. Happy salmoning! If you found this video helpful, I've got another one lined up for you up here and a playlist ready to go down here. See you next time!